Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video I will show you how to install Instagram app on Mac. So to do this you just need to open the website instagram.com and after that go to your Chrome browser. On the top of the bar of Chrome, as you can see here, for me it's called like open in app because I already have the app, but for you it will be like that. For the first time you will see an icon like this with a computer and an arrow. You just need to click on it. As you can see, it will appear like that for you, and you just need to click on yes, and after that Instagram will be opened in an application like this, and you will be have installed the Instagram app on your Mac. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.